well.
All right, good, good. And what other medical problems do you want to share with our fans?
Oh, I have
Right there for me.
lymphedema.
Lymphedema. Do you
I
know
have
what? Close your eyes for me. This is a seborrheic keratosis we're going to freeze. A little liquid nitrogen. That was cold, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be. If it's not,
a little bit.
if it's not cold, we worry about you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you get these from time to time when we freeze them and they fall off, right?
Yes, I've had them treated before.
Right. And they come back, or they come back in a different spot. But they're not dangerous. These don't have to be removed. I'm just doing this kind of as a courtesy because you just don't like the way it looks, right?
Yeah, it's more my wife's concern that
Yeah.
she hates seeing those bumps on my forehead.
Right. Okay, close your eyes. We're going to freeze this again. We freeze all of these twice. So we go through 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles here. And then what this will do, it'll get angry and swell up a little bit, and then it'll just dry and peel off, right? Okay, so we got the one on the front. We got a couple, looks like, on the back we're going to roll over and do. Hang on for me. So here's another seborrheic keratosis here. And I'm blocking the camera, but you got a little one over there. So we're going to get these. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
These are a little bit smaller. That one you had on the front was awfully thick.
Yeah, it's a bad one.
Yep. Okay. And then you have a little one I wanted to get right there. Oh, don't go anywhere. You're fine. Right there. We'll get it for you. There you go. When we have to let these thaw, we have to go through 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles to get complete desiccation of the lesion.
All right.
And then we'll take care of your Weiner's dilated pore that you have on your back. That's what that's called, that little bump. Now you've got lots of little bumps, but we're taking care of the ones that you have requested that we take off.
All right.
Okay, so so you take a couple of medicines, one for the prostate, right? And you take the blood pressure medicine, right?
Yes, I do. Yes, that's right.
Okay, so what I'm doing, the reason I'm feeling this is I want to make sure that these have warmed back up. That's why I keep touching, in case anybody who's watching this wonders. You want to make sure that the lesion has thawed before you freeze it again, or it doesn't really work. There you go. All right, once you close your eye tightly for me, we're going to do the bottom one first. Ready? A little bit there, one more on the top. Ready? Close that eye tightly. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go through 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles. Comprende? You understand? Okay, I know your English is very good, but it's not your first language, it's your second language, right? My second language is, I don't know, I don't have a second language. Spanish a little bit, un poquito español. Gonzo, what have you been up to lately?
Yeah.
You ready for Christmas yet? Thanksgiving? What do you get me for my birthday?
I'm not supposed to tell you.
Okay, there better be a gift or else.
No, there's no gift for you.
All right, let's see if these have thawed out by now. But what these are going to do, they'll kind of swell up a little bit. They'll get angry for a few days. They'll turn red, and then they'll
talk to you.
They'll dry up a little bit, and then they'll just peel off.
To say
Okay, you got it, Pablo?
Okay,
They just kind of peel off.
All right,
I'm just feeling them to make sure they're thawed.
While you're talking about doing that again, I have a story for you, but you keep doing that.
Okay, you ready to get sprayed?
Right.
All right, close that eye tightly.
I went to Jack in the Box the other day with Mr. Gonzo.
You good?
And the guy goes, "Do you want any sauce?" And I said, "Yes, fire."
All right, how was it? Did that hurt a lot?
No, only just the
Just a little sting,
beginning,
right?
Yes.
Good deal. You can put a Band-Aid on them if you want to, but you do not have to.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.